Hello friends, welcome back to this course on machine learning. In our today's session, I will give an introduction to the Python top libraries that we will use in this course for machine learning. So the first one is the NumPy. This is one of the important library in Python. NumPy provides support for multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. This library offers mathematical functions to perform operations on array very efficiently. The second library that we will mostly use in this course is the Pandas. It helps in handling and analyze basically the structural data like tables, CSV, and Excel sheets. Pandas also provides different kind of data frames and making it very easy to manipulate and clean the data efficiently. The third one library that we will mostly use for different kinds of algorithm is the Scikit-learn. It offers simple and efficient tools for machine learning algorithms like different classification algorithms, regression, and clustering. This library provides built-in datasets, pre-processing utilities, and also model evaluation metrics. Now we will also use these library for different kind of data visualization in our this course. It is used for creating static and animated and interactive visualization like line charts, bar charts, pie charts, and other types of charts. It helps in plotting graphs, histograms, and charts to analyze the data trends in a most easy way. Now let me also show you the libraries online documentation so that you have a little idea about. It is the official documentation site of the NumPy library. Now here you can search for the different API references. You can search here for different types like if I just click on the data type API, then you will see lots of things here about these. No, you can check here the user guide how to use this library. If I just click on the array creation, then it will give you a documentation how to create the array in the NumPy. You have to import the library and then you can, use the um, NumPy to create the array like in this way. The second one library that we will mostly use in this course, as I already discussed, is the Pandas. So it is the official documentation side of the Pandas. You can search for help, you can see for the API references, for the developer guide on this official site. The third one library is the Scikit-learn, and here is the official documentation site for this library, right? So you can search for different kinds of algorithms like classification and the regression. Now here we have different supervised learning models like this one. If I just click on this one, for example, logistic regression, then you will see lots of help related to these algorithm in this library. And here we have the official documentation site for the matplotlib library. You can see here how to install this library on your computer. You can go to the user's guide. You can search for the tutorials. You can search for the examples that we can use in this library. If I just go to the colors and colors demo, it gives lots of things about how to change the colors of the graph, how to give different types of color, right? Now it was basically an introduction about what kind of libraries we will use in our this course. We will also use other things, other libraries, but these four will be our top option to use in this course. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel Noor Code Logic so that I upload more content for you. Thank you.